Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast battery drain on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the settings, and in the settings we need to find our battery. So once we go to battery, what are we going to do is we're going to go to battery usage, and we want to locate the apps with the highest usage. So basically the app that is eating up our battery. Now you can easily restrict that app activity, but as you guys can see, I do have the Android system safety core here. After you click on don't allow here, the app may misbehave a lot, and even if I wanted to, I just cannot change it because this is the Android app. Now this is not like third-party app that you can download or something, but this app is the system app, so you cannot change it. But here in manage app battery usage, you just switch to don't allow or smart use. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and switch your refresh rate to auto. So if you don't have it already, you should, because if you're going on with the go to display refresh rate, if you're rocking the 120 Hertz, then of course your phone is very smooth, but that also means your battery is draining like crazy, and we definitely do not want it. And that's why we switch to auto, because it will optimize our battery and optimize our refresh rate, so that whenever we're not doing anything it's 60, and whenever we watch YouTube it's also 60, for example. Whenever we do anything else, let's say scrolling, it'll be 120, so that we do not notice the difference, but it will still change. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over and we're gonna check our battery graphs, because of course make sure to check after a couple of hours of using some apps. And you can also try and enable the standard battery saver to help preserve your battery. So that's how you guys can easily fix the fast battery drain. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.